In Swansea Wood I walked alone, where silence sleeps and buds are born, and enemies pale as prayer were drifting through the warming air. In Swansea Wood I walked alone. She moved between the shade and sun, a love once near but now has gone. Amongst the quiet things, a breath of black with whisper wings. In Swansea Wood I walked alone. I held my breath and let her go. Through dappled light she lost her glow. The moments that we once held dear are scattered, faded far from here. In Swansea Wood I walked alone. Now every time when spring comes round and bluebirds light the woodland ground, I swear I sense her just a trace, a whisper or her shadowed face. In Swansea Wood I walked alone.